Hi, this is a quick video on how to disable the beeping sound on a power inverter. This is the Cen-Tech 400 watt inverter from Harbor Freight Tools, and in my case I want to disable the beeping sound when it gets low voltage because it auto shuts off anyways after that, and I don't want it to wake me up in the middle of the night. So it's very simple. All you need is a Phillips head screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. And all you need to do is remove these 4 screws on the front, and then you can gently pull the front off. It's connected pretty well, so you don't really have to worry about breaking it as long as you're fairly gentle with it. This button is going to pop off with a spring, but it's easy to replace. So also this circuit board slides out, but you don't need to worry about that. So what we're looking for is this component right here. That's the little piezo alarm, and you want to make sure you're not going to remove any capacitors, things that look like this right here. You're just looking for this short cylinder with the hole on the top. It's pretty distinct looking. Now, in the case of this inverter, it is right in here on that board. I will show you. So where you see that wire sticking up, that's where it's connected. You can see the circle outline below it. There's 2 wires that I snapped off. And all I did was use a flathead screwdriver and put it under there and just kind of twisted it and wiggled it, and it popped right off without too much effort. Yeah, you don't need to use too much force. Be careful not to break anything else. And it just popped right off. And that disables the beeping. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. This is easy to put back on. You just, screw back in. All right, bye.